Back DZ59. Are you a foreigner? Are you a your language script is Arabic eh. It's Arabic. So are you a Arabic people in a in the Middle East or in Northern Africa? Where do you live? Where do you live back DZ59? Uh, uh, now I've noticed it. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung script mo ah. Are you a Arabic people? Are you a Arabic people back DZ59?